Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the international webinar event, the Tech Horizon Navigating the Future of Digital Transformation. Please let me welcome our special guest for today. Welcome to the Honorable Mr. Sundar Suresh as a Global Managing Director and Cybersecurity Mentor from HebeSec Technology, India and Malaysia. To the Honorable Mr. Engineer MD Safaet Hossain as a Director and Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering from City University Bangladesh. To the Honorable Miss Aftuqa Sholikatur Rohmania, MM, as a Head of Management Department from STEKOM University, Indonesia. And last but not least, also to the Honorable guest and audience today. Before we begin, I have a few housekeeping notes here. Today's session is being live streamed on Universitas Tekom YouTube channel. And for today event, we will start with class presentation by our special guest for today. Continue with the Q&A session, time for picture, and last time is the closing. So for today's session, each presenter will have about 30 minutes for presentation. Now let's please welcome our Mr. Faiz for the start session today. For Mr. Faiz, you can play for Indonesian national anthems. Thank you. Okay, thank you. And let's please welcome our first presenter, Miss Aftuqa Sholikatur Rohmania, for the start with the main presentation for today. For Miss Aftuqa, the time is yours. Thank you.
Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Aftuqa Sholikatur Rohmania as lecturer of STEKOM University. Thank you for the opportunity given to me. Thank you the color of the STEKOM University, Dr. Yusef Teguh Santoso, MPhom, all the great speaker of today, and of course all the audience of today webinar. I'm very happy to be able to present material about Tech Horizon Navigating of Future of Digital Transformation. Okay, now I want to start my presentation. I title my presentation HebeSec industry digital transformation narrative. Why the burning platform for transformation in high tech? Nah, profit and market value is migrating away from hardware. Simple company, semi and component. Intel, Qualcomm, Murray Western Digital, SQ Hynix, product example Nokia, Sony, Panasonic, Lenovo, bla bla. Terus internet platform example Amazon, Google, Facebook, Microsoft. Industry trend and implication by sector. Explosive growth in smart connect David 2020 connect David by 2025. Trillion of sensors. Connect shift to cloud and open source is rapid migration of workload to public cloud and number two, adoption of open source hard design and rapid rise of AI or ML. AI is new UI embedded in mass product. Nah, automation giving major internal cost improvement. And next, intelligence moving to edge. It is processing moving to edge networking accelerated by 5G. Nah, component is record shipment or revenue, general positive, but many platform design out chip. And number three, grow in AI or ML chips. And number four, prefer processing at device but overall positive. And hardware product, number one, potential for growth in new IoT category, and number two, flat to negative growth forecast in server, stocks, networking, and printing, and number three, minimal AI drive revenue growth, and number four, edge device growth potential but risk component device. And then more, internet platform number one is more David good for platform leader now making device and general positive in internet platform is rapid growth and growth in AI chips. Internet platform is AI value add dominated by platform and prefer processing. Internet platform is potential risk. And next, innovation gap and patch to weight based on R&D spending. Internet platform leader is still 30,4%. And top 10 R&D company in 2017 is Amazon. It is 13.2%. Note Samsung is leading component supplier in addition to product. Apple is increasingly a platform company and Huawei designed their own semiconductor. And what transformer the car in reinvent the product and rotate to the new uh, rotation to new as sweet property is transforming the core digital transform to drive significant cost saving is 20% in order to invest in you. And number two, re-even the product and customer experience. Number three, expand customer value view, AI, power marketing and sales. Number four, scale intelligent price with automation and AI. And number five, create the digital platform foundation for future. Um, and next, grow the new shift business model from traditional hardware to as a service model to driving recurring revenue, econ economies platform, and monetize the install base and product data. And number two is a new category of smart connected device and service. And this pivot manage cannibalization. Some CDs the new scale and get right focus strategy development portfolio rationalization. And next, the four, the, the framework transformer core digital enterprise framework and digital platform is digital putting your just like and Novita. I'm sorry, this connection. Digital Center of Excellence in robotic, AI, augmented reality, and security. And the R&D is digital thread and twins, and marketing and sales, living marketing, AI partner experience, intelligent growth, optimize, and supply chain is digital supply chain or smart factor. Service and support is AI power care and connected service workforce and back office digital finance and digital workforce experience and human research end-to-end experience and customer partner ecosystem and employer. This digital enterprise framework transform or grow the new. Research and interview with Amazon, Google, uh, based on book how to based on book interviewing the product how to transform your business and create value in the digital age. According to Eric Skyford and David Sophie, published on March 2019. This research and interview with Amazon, Google, Samsung, and blah blah blah. 5 big shifts from future to experience hardware is a service, a project platform, mechanical, digital, and AI as value source, engineering in the new. The new 5 value space. This traditional product dengan connected product as a service, living service, and ecosystem platform. Value space 2. Living product example and characteristic. Traditional and living product. Intelligence is traditional, no or few sensors, no AI, no internet, fairly dumb, and intelligence living product is processing power made from 20 years ago and multiple to hundred of sensor. User number 2, user interface, traditional speaker keyboards and living product voice-based AI as the UA. Personalization is traditional, is no or limited user customization. Living product automatic personalization based on actual user behavior and preference, and upgradability, traditional, non to very limit, and living product, evergreen product with frequent functional upgrade, and ecosystem, traditional closed product, living product is open AI-based platform. Apps run on the platform and or access device, and ongoing customer relationship, traditional very limited, and living product always connected relationship with customer, ongoing monitoring of use data, closed loop innovation, and leading example. Value space 3 and 4, product as a service, living service. Business benefit F as a service. Increase revenue, loyalty and retention, cross-sell or upsell, new value add service tips, lawyer costs, scale costs, especially renewals and engineering costs or overtime, increase stock valuation in multiple for as a service. Success stores, example, software licensee, so service revenue no, service critical, and successful managed print service launch Device as a service for PC over multi-vendor support and life cycle management. Value space 5. Number 5, ecosystem platform. Successful from 90 points. Number one, networking effect, user experience, ecosystem support, business model, data content, marketplace, and number seven, scalable technology. Number eight, digital trust. Number nine, agile and iterative. Type of platform and speakal description and example. Speakal connection or nodes between user or endpoint. Example, railroad networking for networking the internet. Transaction or market, providing connection between seller and buyer to facilitate commerce and transaction. E-commerce, example by Amazon, Alibaba, payment is Apple Pay, another open table. Nah, social communication is described enabling connection and communication between individual, customer, Facebook, Twitter content, Instagram, and TikTok. Professional link yet, is link ID. Data share data that create value for all user. Often release on user generate review and content. The level developer infrastructure a technology that service has been on which other application, product, or process are developed. Operating system Windows, Apple iOS, Google Android, Cloud Platform, Amazon Web Service, Google Cloud Platform, and Microsoft Azure. AI, AI emerging area that is derivative of data, where the more data is available, the better the AI and accuracy. Accurate. And next, how transformation leverage digital service factor and workforce transformation. And digital innovation factor design, develop, launch, and scale new profession to drive business value. What the digital factor does, this hack value ED enable rapid test and link, embark file files, drive digital way of working, accelerate ED to scale journey, and release value early. And seven very different discipline in on time, one team and under one leader. The fourth team, agile development, mobile race, patch live production, enterprise architect, digital developing, solution design, technical perform, and service designer is unmet user needs, experience design for moment of wow, and user adoption is user acquisition, monetization, and speakal plus digital. Ecosystem manager open innovation, tax and startup partnership, and external marketing. Factor lead is number one, lead product manager, overall production over owner, and number two, prioritize PPLs or roadmap, and number three, safe strolling storyteller and talent manager, and commercial team is value or business price. Number two, go-to-market strategy and support. And number three, competitive SWOT and positioning. And digital Service Factor Framework. Digital Innovasi Factor Framework. In visi and visi strategy and governance, networking of innovation center and ecosystem of partner. This factor outcome, new service experience, and or operational efficiency. This pre identification disruption, with the transformation, establish your North Star digital vision, and build experiment or incubate is organized and development digital spirit, open the doors to partner and build digital talent and culture, and large and scale industrialist development, monitoring value, speed innovation across business, and and digital innovation framework, factor framework. Okay, thank you. Uh, in question, thank you, Miss Novita.
Yeah, Miss, thank you so much for the
Basic
wonderful
information. Okay, thank
information.
you.
Yeah, and we have question from participant in the YouTube. I'm ready read in the room chat. The question is from Mr. Sukamto. How important the digital transformation really is, and the life cycle of digital business transformation explain. Thank you.
Okay. How to important the digital transformation really is transformation is no longer a feature VC. It is something that must start happening now, and it already does. The some organization digital business transformation was never an easy task, but today most company experience heck pressure to make change if they want to remain competitive. At the sometime, the digital transformation process is multifold and difficult. Many companies are struggle to reconcile these two aspects. If you want your business to remain successful in the future, you all have to make powerful leader effort, move your company forward toward embracing the industry 5.0.
Hmm, ini sudah Bu untuk jawabannya.
Okay, thank you.
Oh yeah. Okay, thank you so much for the answering, Miss Aftuqa. It's very clear answer from Professor. Yeah, we will go to the second speaker, Mr. Safaet Hossain from City University, Bangladesh. Yeah, thank you. Oh, yeah.
really cutting edge with the robotics and automations. From physical robots to the virtual assistants, the evolving landscape of automated systems, revolutionizing industries from manufacturing, logistics to surgery and space explorations. Human robot collaborations, building the partnerships for enhanced productivity and innovation. Green technology. We all are facing the greenhouse effects, but does this technology booms in everywhere? These gadgets, technological equipments, they need to combating with the climate change. Sustainable energy solutions like renewable energy, energy efficiency, and carbon capture. Smart cities and green infrastructure, building environmentally friendly spaces for the future. The circular economy, reducing waste and maximizing the resource utilization in the green technologies. Cybersecurity and digital threats. Yes, protecting our digital worlds, we all have an identity and the resources in the web and internet media. How do you protect them? What are the resources that can protect from other unethical attack from your cyber world? Addressing growing cyber threats like hacking, malware, and data breaches. Privacy and the security in the digital age, strengthening data protection and safeguarding online identities, building resilient systems, the importance of cybersecurity awareness and proactive measures. The future of work and human technology interactions, the changing landscape of jobs, automated, some remote works, and the rise of the new skills. No matter where you will stay at this moment. Since, see, today's webinar, we are in different parts of the world, but come to a single platform where this webinar happens. Same thing, the job market, no matter where you are resides, your skill is important to enter into the platforms of the job, where outsourcing evolved and the part of the work can be collaboratively and combinedly work. Wearable technologies, brain-computer interaction (BCI), and the blurring lines between humans and the machines. Preparing for the future, adapting to change, embracing lifelong learning, and fostering ethical development in technology. Artificial intelligence. See, the artificial intelligence is a simulation of human intelligence processed by the machine and especially the computer systems. Specific applications of AI include expert system, natural language processing, speech recognition, and the machine vision. Virtual reality, augmented reality, which are actually transforms the technological revolution in all aspects of our day-to-day lives. VR is computer-generated environment with scenes and objects that appear to be real, making the user feel they are immersed in their surroundings. This environment is perceived through a device known as virtual reality helmet with the headset. Augmented reality, AR, is interactive experience of a real-world environment where the objects that reside in the real world are enhanced by computer-generated perceptual information, sometimes across multiple sensory modalities, including visual, auditory, haptic, and somatosensory and olfactory. You can visualize and as well as listen what you are actually looking for and searching, like a departmental store, supermarket, or a day-to-day activities. Augmented reality and virtual reality are simultaneous two words, synonymous. AR uses a real-world setting while the VR is completely virtual. AR users can control their presence in the real world. VR users are controlled by the system. VR requires a headset device, but AR can be accessed with a smartphone. AR enhanced both the virtual and real world, while the VR only enhances the fictional reality. Well, the financial sector also hampered the like blockchain and the cryptocurrency. No financial cash transaction will be in the near futures. Here, the evolving scenario with the blockchain. Blockchain is a system of recording information in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change, hack, or cheat the system. It would be protected. Blockchain is essentially digital ledger of transactions that is duplicated and distributed across the entire network of computer systems on the blockchain. IoT, Internet of Things, and edge computing is the IoT is the interconnection of endpoints which can be uniquely addressed and identified with an IP protocol. With the Internet of Things, devices can be connected to the Internet, sense, gather, receive, and send data, and communicate with each other and applications via IP technologies, platforms, and connectivity solutions. Yes, we are already entered in the industry 4, where see the mapping between the connections, big data analytics, cloud computing, system integrations, IoT, and automations. Actually, the main pillar of industry 4. It's termed for industrial revolution, digitalization, and automation of manufacturing. We are in the midst of fundamental shift and the way products are produced, and it is deeply tied to the future of Internet of Things, IoT. Advances in networking, machine learning, data analytics, robotics, 3D printing, and other technologies are making a vast improvements on industrial process and reducing our dependence on human labor. By leaning into digital solution, manufacturing can reduce human error, shorten time to market, and increase the speed at which industrial processes can adapt to new information. And here are some industry points: Industry 1, Industry 2, Industry 3, and Industry 4. We are living in the present scenario with IoT based on an AI. In the Industry 4, manufacturers are integrating new technologies, including Internet of Things, cloud computing, analytics, and AI and machine learning into their production facilities and throughout their operations. Smart buildings, smart vehicles, smart metering, robotics, directions integrating, cybersecurity, cloud computing, data analytics, and point of sale are all influencers in the Industry 4. These are the pillars. These smart factories are equipped with advanced sensors, embedded software, and robotics that collect and analyze data and allows for better decision making. Even higher value is created when data from production operations is combined with operational data from ERP, supply chain, customer service, and other enterprise systems to create whole new levels of visibility and insight from previously siloed information. Robotics, yes, the robots are entered. It is an interdisciplinary branch of computer science and engineering. The field involves the design, construction, operations, and use of robots. Robots are more precise and efficient than humans. Medical and industrial errors can be almost eliminated with the use of robotics. By using robots, business can see massive savings and cost-effective change to jobs that may take humans days to complete. All these integrations, let me show you a video tutorial so that you can have a visionary idea how the AI revolutionize in business. Let me share the screen.
Business technology and innovation. In today's competitive marketplace, technology and innovation are the driving forces behind success. Join us as we embark on an exciting journey through the latest trends and strategies that are reshaping the business landscape. From digital transformation and AI to blockchain and agile methodologies, we'll explore how these innovations are revolutionizing industries and sparking creativity. Whether you're a tech-savvy entrepreneur, a business leader, or simply eager to stay ahead in the digital age, stay tuned to discover how business technology and innovation can fuel your growth and transformation. Today, we will talk about business technology and innovation. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Today's world is making strides towards technological innovation, with most sophisticated organizations and companies almost unaware of the rapid growth of the digital world. Although doctrine and subordination to these innovations have become inevitable in various areas of the business world, whether commercial, industrial, or even educational, especially within today's digital competitive market, in the light of the rapid development of technology. Thus, the only way to achieve sustainable development and corporate leadership is to keep up with technological innovation and follow its steps step by step while ensuring its application to the prevailing business system. In such a critical position, you can only take the principle of "I will never stop learning" and apply its content to the next success plan. We have prepared a brief guide of information that will put you on the first path to keeping up with technology. Technological innovation has become instrumental in empowering companies and achieving their various economic goals, primarily by keeping up with them. Each company will ensure access to their client satisfaction and attract more of them. Companies must also pay attention to focusing on technological innovation to achieve sustainable development and enhance competitiveness in a way that ensures a foothold for success thanks to several facilities that will be secured by the technological innovation of your business. 1. Learn customer preferences through data analytics. Leaders can leverage technology to improve their products and services and drive innovation by using data analytics to gain insights into customer preferences, behaviors, and needs. By analyzing this data, leaders can identify areas where their products or services could be improved, develop new offerings that better meet customer needs, and streamline operations to increase efficiency. To determine the right technology for your businesses and customers' needs. There's no shortage of new technologies, but the right ones for your business are the ones that fit your customers' needs. Leaders should look to create seamless experiences that meet customers where they are. Whether that be embedding relevant services directly in the customer journey or leveraging data to personalize their offerings, customers want to feel as though their time is being valued. 3. Embrace the power of big data analytics. By using artificial intelligence to collect and analyze large amounts of data on customer behavior, market trends, and internal processes, leaders can gain insights into areas that need improvement. Additionally, they'll be able to identify new growth opportunities through process automation and customer experience personalization. 4. Determine pain points and look for solutions first. What we usually see in various industries is that the starting point for executives when innovating is usually technology. However, with this approach, they usually miss the shot in terms of meeting the needs of their customer or consumer. Therefore, in our line of business, we advise our client partners to start with the business or customer pain point, move toward the solution, and only then move to tech. 5. Use AI tools to personalize experiences. Leaders can leverage technology to create more personalized and engaging experiences for their customers. This can be achieved through the use of chatbots, virtual assistants, and other AI-powered tools that can interact with customers in a natural and intuitive way. Leaders can build deeper relationships with their customers by delivering new and exciting products and services. 6. Utilize the right intelligence tools. A business intelligence tool with the right team to run it is becoming essential table stakes for businesses in this age. As leaders, we need the information to drive innovation. And with the correct data at our fingertips, we can make quick decisions to propel our companies forward. 7. Leverage new technology to meet customer needs. Leaders can leverage emerging technologies like AI and the Internet of Things, IoT, to improve their products and services, gather data, and automate processes. Encouraging experimentation and fostering a culture of innovation is crucial. Leveraging technology in these ways helps leaders deliver cutting-edge products and services that meet evolving customer needs. 8. Expand customer communication efforts with AI. AI has been significantly impacting today's content creation. An example is ChatGPT's natural language processing system. Business owners can take advantage of this by integrating it into chatbots and creating human-like conversations. If used wisely and correctly, this will be helpful in improving customer service and personalizing customer experience. Business technology is a strategy for organizing and coordinating technology management across the entire enterprise. It is a set of management practices, tools, organizational structures, and technology governance designed to ensure that the use of technology is optimist across the enterprise with the overarching aim of satisfying customer needs and expectations. Most businesses understand that they need to challenge not only their competitors, but also themselves in order to constantly improve their customers' view and their ability to meet market demand. When information technology was introduced to businesses over 30 years ago, it was such a specialized topic that organizations created new departments with the remit and responsibility for managing it. This resulted in the birth of the IT department, which was seen by many as a pure support function and separate from the business. Large amounts of effort have been spent since in trying to contain information technology, ensure that it is under the watchful eye of IT teams, and that spend is controlled. Of course, cost control is still a major required discipline. However, digital has unleashed technology and made it widely available, meaning it can no longer be efficiently controlled by a single department. Today's technology function should work alongside all business areas to make their skills available, whilst embracing those disciplines of customer focus, revenue generation, and product development from other parts of the organization. This is not a one-way conversation. Marketing teams, for example, need to embrace the technology management skills available to them to prevent runaway costs or implementation of solutions that cannot interact with others across the internal ecosystem. Many organizations have found themselves in limbo, somewhere between the digital revolution and the status quo. They lack the capability to integrate incremental improvement with disruptive digital innovation. To frame the challenge, business technology introduces 3 core elements, as illustrated in the picture below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it,
Thank you.
please give it a thumbs.
Thank you. So we have seen the leveraging how business imparts with the revolutionized business through the artificial intelligence work navigations. Let's see another video so that we can have an idea about how the formalizing of frontier technologies. Let me play that.
Stood at the precipice of numerous industrial revolutions, each reshaping our world in unimaginable ways. Today we find ourselves on the cusp of a new era, not of steam or steel, but of silicon and software. Welcome to Quantum Mind AI. Today we present Artificial Intelligence and the Future of Work, where we explore this uncharted terrain, examining how AI is redrawing the boundaries of industries, careers, and the very nature of work itself. In the healthcare industry, AI's impact is already tangible. Take the case of Zebra Medical Vision, an Israel-based startup. They've developed an AI algorithm capable of detecting lung cancer in CT scans with a remarkable 90% accuracy. Substantially higher than the average human radiologist, this not only enhances diagnostic capabilities, but also alleviates the workload for medical professionals, allowing them to focus more on patient care. Moving over to the world of finance, AI is revolutionizing the way we handle money. JP Morgan Chase, one of the world's largest banks, introduced COIN, which is an abbreviation for Contract Intelligence, an AI program that interprets commercial loan agreements. Previously, this task took their legal team an average of 360,000 hours. Now it's accomplished in mere seconds. This exemplifies how AI can streamline processes, boosting efficiency and accuracy. Even the creative industry isn't immune to AI's reach. OpenAI's ChatGPT, a language prediction model, is capable of producing human-like text. It can create anything from poetry to well-structured articles, challenging the notion that creativity is an exclusively human trait. While it doesn't replace human creatives, it offers a new set of tools for them to explore and integrate into their work. Like a digital Prometheus, AI is bestowing upon us capabilities once thought impossible. Let's delve into case studies across different sectors. In the heart of automated factories, AI-driven robots work tirelessly, boosting efficiency but also raising questions about the human workforce. In the corridors of medicine, AI algorithms diagnose diseases with precision, often surpassing their human counterparts. In the world of finance, AI systems analyze market data with superhuman speed, creating new opportunities and risks. In this new world, the line between human and machine labor blurs. Let's explore this symbiotic relationship. AI tools aid artists and writers, augmenting creativity rather than replacing it. In technology sectors, AI becomes a partner in problem solving, offering insights derived from vast data pools. In the service sector, AI's role in customer service exemplifies a blend of efficiency and human touch. As AI reshapes industries, it also redefines the skills needed to thrive. What are these skills and how can we acquire them? Understanding AI and machine learning basics is becoming as fundamental as literacy. Skills like critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence become invaluable in an AI-dominated landscape. The concept of lifelong learning emerges as crucial in keeping pace with technological advancements. As we journey through this AI-driven epoch, the future of work may seem daunting, yet it brims with potential. It's a narrative still being written, one where human ingenuity collaborates with artificial intelligence to redefine what it means to work. Now I turn to you, dear viewers. How do you see AI impacting your career? What skills do you believe will be most valuable in this new era? Share your thoughts and let's continue this vital conversation. In this ever-evolving landscape, navigating the complexities of AI can be daunting. That's where Quantum Mind AI steps in. At Quantum Mind AI, we understand the intricacies of artificial intelligence and its implications on various industries. Our team of experts offers bespoke consulting services, helping businesses adapt to and thrive in the AI era. From tailor-made AI strategies to upskilling workshops, Quantum Mind AI empowers your organization to harness the full potential of artificial intelligence. With Quantum Mind AI, step confidently into the future, embracing the transformative power of AI in your business.
So the transformation in evolving artificial intelligence dominating the major role playing by the AI. Let's see another tutorial about the AI and the privacy navigating, as it is a key component for the cybersecurity concerns. Let me run the tutorial.
Listens a little too well. These days, artificial intelligence, or AI, despite its many benefits, could ever wonder if your smart speaker listens a little too well? These days, artificial intelligence, or AI, is everywhere. It's in your smartphone, helping you find the nearest coffee shop. It's in your fridge, keeping track of your groceries. But with this widespread use of AI, a question emerges. What about our privacy? As these intelligent systems become more advanced, they collect and process vast amounts of data, often personal. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, privacy becomes a growing concern. Consider the example of smart speakers, like Amazon's Echo or Google Home. These handy devices are designed to make our lives easier, but they also bring to light some serious questions about privacy. Take, for instance, the incident that unfolded in Portland, Oregon. A couple was having a private conversation at home, oblivious to the fact that their Amazon Echo was not only recording their conversation, but also shared it with one of their contacts. Imagine their shock when they received a call from the contact, alerting them to the situation. This incident sparked an intense debate about the extent to which artificial intelligence should be allowed to access personal data. Critics argue that AI, despite its many benefits, could potentially infringe upon our privacy rights. On the other hand, tech enthusiasts believe that with the right regulations and safeguards in place, AI can coexist with privacy. As seen in this case, the increasing sophistication of AI can lead to unexpected breaches of privacy. So, where does this leave us in the relationship between AI and privacy? As we've seen, AI is becoming increasingly prevalent in our lives, offering unparalleled convenience. But with this comes potential risks to our privacy, demonstrated by our discussion on smart speakers. As we move forward, we must navigate this intricate dance between technology and personal space. As we continue to embrace AI, it's crucial to consider the balance between enjoying its conveniences and safeguarding our privacy.
Yes, so many things are happening, and we need to aware about ourselves that data breaches happen, to protecting our data in proper way and use our data in the way of artificial intelligence and navigations. Hope we can have a clear understanding about these topics, and it's a vast area. Hope I can give some impressions about this artificial intelligence, robotics, and cybersecurity for the time of cybersecurity world. Thank you very much. Thank you for giving me an opportunity for this presentation. STEKOM University, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you so much for answering. Thank you so much for all participants. Yeah, before I close this event, please open your camera. I will take a picture on the count of three. 1, 2, 3. Okay, another one. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Thank you for your keen cooperation. Finally, we come to the end of visit webinar today. We would like to thank you for all the speaker for the wonderful information and sharing your knowledge. We hope this information will be beneficial for all participants. The webinar for today and here we have to see you soon. Thank you and have a nice day.